Hi everyone. This class will look at common idioms and phrases. Idioms can be confusing to English learners because they have a literal meaning and a figurative meaning. These are just a few of the thousands of idioms in the English language. Draw the line. The point where something is no longer acceptable. Now I draw the line at speaking in front of 34,000 people. 24/7. All the time. Constantly. My little sister irritates me 24/7. Easier said than done. Not as easy as it appears to be. You're going to paint the roof? That's easier said than done. Every cloud has a silver lining, meaning you can find good in every bad situation. Even though you just got fired, remember that every cloud has a silver lining. At least you don't have to work for that grouchy boss anymore. Find a needle in a haystack, meaning that something is virtually impossible to find. Trying to get a new job these days is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Fish out of water, meaning to be out of place. Tom felt like a fish out of water at the Star Trek convention his girlfriend begged him to attend. Put your foot in your mouth. Saying something you shouldn't have. Jessica really put her foot in her mouth when she asked about John's job right after he lost it. Stick your nose into something, meaning to interfere. Sharon always sticks her nose into everybody else's business. Hang out somewhere or hang out with someone, meaning to spend leisure time with friends. I've been hanging out with Esther a lot recently. Used to or accustomed to. My sister's not used to living alone. Straight from the horse's mouth. This refers to hearing something directly from the person involved. Listen to this news straight from the horse's mouth. We're all getting bonuses this week. Get something off your chest. To talk about something that has been bothering you for a long time. To admit something that you've done wrong. I have to get this off my chest. I copied your answers in the test. Plain as day, meaning that something is obvious or clear. It's plain as day that you're in love with her, so just admit it. Get rid of something. To give or throw something away. To sell or destroy something. I brought a new television set, so I want to get rid of the old one. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native-speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.